Welcome to an exciting journey where dreams take shape and houses become homes. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of house construction, unraveling the key stages from blueprint to the final touches. Whether you're a prospective homeowner, an aspiring developer, or just curious about the process, join us as we delve into the intricacies of building structures that stand the test of time. From planning and design to quality checks and the joyous move-in day, this is your guide to the captivating world of house construction. Let's get started. Embarking on the journey of house construction is an exciting endeavor that involves turning dreams and visions into tangible reality. Whether you're building your dream home, expanding an existing property, or venturing into real estate development, the process can be both rewarding and challenging. This article will guide you through the key stages of house construction, offering insights into each step of the process. The first step in house construction is meticulous planning and design. This phase involves conceptualizing your vision, creating a budget, and working with architects and designers to develop detailed blueprints. Consider factors such as the layout, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Additionally, make sure to adhere to local building codes and regulations. Once the design is finalized, the next step is site preparation. This involves clearing the land, excavating, and laying the foundation. The foundation is a critical element that provides stability and support for the entire structure. There are various types of foundations, including slab, crawl space, and basement, each with its own advantages and considerations. With the foundation in place, the construction team begins building the frame of the house. This includes erecting the structural framework, typically made of wood or steel. The framing process gives shape to the structure, defining rooms, doorways, and windows. It's a crucial stage that sets the stage for the entire construction. Once the frame is complete, the focus shifts to enclosing the structure. Walls are erected, the roof is installed, and windows are put in place. This phase protects the interior from the elements and creates a secure and weather-resistant envelope. It also allows for the installation of crucial systems such as electrical wiring and plumbing. With the basic structure in place, attention turns to the interior and exterior finishes. This includes insulation, drywall installation, flooring, and painting. Simultaneously, the exterior is adorned with siding, roofing materials, and landscaping. These finishing touches transform the construction site into a recognizable home. The functionality of a home relies on well-designed and properly installed systems. This stage involves the installation of plumbing, electrical wiring, and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems. Careful planning and precision are essential to ensure safety and efficiency. Throughout the construction process, regular quality checks and inspections are conducted to ensure that the work meets industry standards and adheres to local building codes. This step is crucial to identify and address any issues before they become more significant problems. As the construction nears completion, the final touches are added. This includes installing fixtures, appliances, and any remaining interior elements. A final inspection is conducted to ensure everything is in order. Once approved, it's time to turn the keys and move into your new home. House construction is a multifaceted journey that requires careful planning, skilled craftsmanship, and attention to detail. Each stage plays a pivotal role in shaping the final outcome. By understanding the process and working with experienced professionals, you can navigate the complexities of construction and turn your vision of a dream home into a reality.